Man succumbed to injuries after being shot outside Mandeville party in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One of two men who were shot outside a party during a drive-by attack at the entrance of a party on Ward Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester on Saturday morning has succumbed to his injuries at the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Police have named the deceased as 28-year-old Romario Allen, otherwise called Roro, a resident of Dunsinane District in Manchester. A report from the Police Corporate Communications Unit said that at around 2:15 a.m., the men who were reportedly patrons at a club and lounge were shot by gunmen traveling in a motor car. Statistics from the police show that up to September 24th in Manchester recorded 48 murders since the start of the year when compared to 19 for the corresponding period last year. The police investigation continues and they have not so far established a motive for this latest shooting. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.